Hello and welcome once again to Chennai Cooking Channel. And today I'm here with one more interesting recipe. Today's recipe is chicken pan pizza. I'm going to make this pizza in pan, not in oven. And I'm going to make the base also at home only, so that you can easily make this, try and make this pizza at home. Very easily you can make. If you follow my way, it will be very easy for you to make the pizza at home. Let's start making the pizza. Let's prepare the base first. I have used 4 cups of maida, that is all purpose flour, and I have kept 1 cup of around half cup of warm milk, in which I am adding dry yeast around 1 spoon, and 1 spoon of sugar I am adding into the warm milk, and some salt, around quarter teaspoon of salt. And let's mix all the ingredients together, the dry yeast, sugar and salt, to the warm milk. Let's mix them well. And 4 cups of maida I have used. In this I can make 2 pan pizzas, 2 large pan pizzas. I am adding the warm milk to the maida. Let's prepare a soft dough with the maida with the help of hands. Can prepare a soft dough as we prepare for rotis and chapatis. Let's knead it well with the help of fingers. Let's apply some oil over it and let's keep it for at least 1 hour. Let's cover the maida and let's keep it for at least 1 hour. Even for 2 hours also you can keep, but 1 hour it will be enough sometimes. Let's marinate the chicken pieces. I have used boneless chicken pieces, which I have cut into small tiny pieces, and I'm marinating it with turmeric powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, salt and some tandoori masala powder. Let's mix it and keep it marinated for half an hour. Let's prepare the sauce for the pizza. So for that I'm using 4 tomatoes grinded and some capsicum, some garlic chopped finely, and some butter. In a pan I am adding the butter. Now I am adding the chopped garlic. I have chopped it very finely. Let's saute the garlic for only 2 minutes. It started turning the color slightly. At this point I am adding the capsicum chopped. 1 full capsicum I have used here. Let's saute for only 3 minutes. Then let's add the ground tomatoes. Let's give a mix. Let's add some salt for it, and let's add some 1 spoon of sugar to balance the sauce. Let's add some chili flakes to the sauce and some oregano or Italian herbs. It will be easily available in any supermarket, and it's very important to make the pizza and pasta. It gives a very nice taste to it. Let's add the butter. Now our sauce is ready. Let's switch off the flame. In another pan, now I am frying the chicken, adding little oil. I kept marinated for half an hour. Let's shallow fry the chicken. Now the chicken is ready. Let's remove the chicken from the flame. Since we have added the yeast to it, it has become fluffy and double the quantity. I'm just checking after 1 hour. You can even keep it for 2 hours. Let's knead the dough further, and then only the base will become softer like bread. Now I'm spreading the base, applying some oil over the plate. Now let's assemble the pizza. I have applied some oil over the pan, and I'm dusting some maida or suji. Suji also you can use. I have kept the dough, and I have spread the dough evenly over the pan. Let's adjust the edges of the pizza base so that it will look like a actual pizza base. With the help of fork, I'm just marking, just poking on uh, the surface of the pizza base. Let's spread our tomato sauce which we have made evenly, leaving the edges at the center. We have to spread it. Now I'm spreading the chicken, the roasted chicken over it. Let's add some cheese on top of it. I'm using processed cheese and cheese slices, but instead of it you can use mozzarella cheese also. Since I don't have mozzarella cheese, I'm using the cheese slices and processed cheese. Usually in pizzas they use mozzarella cheese. Now I'll sprinkle some oregano and some chili flakes. Now I'll cover and keep over the stove in low flame. After 10 minutes, the pizza is absolutely ready to be served. The chicken pan pizza without oven. The kids will really love it if you make this way. Just make as I made it today in a very less time. Definitely the kids will enjoy more than the restaurant pizza. So for more interesting recipes, please subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video with